going on, everyone? Nate with Champion Car Company here, and behind me I have something very special to share with you guys today. This is our super rare 2017 Audi A4 Premium, and you guys may be wondering what makes this car so rare, and that is because it is equipped from the factory with a 6-speed manual transmission. Less than 900 of these cars with the manual transmission were made in the year 2017, and putting the power through that transmission is a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine producing about 250 horsepower. This thing is equipped with the Mythos black metallic paint. Get some really nice flake in there. Hopefully the camera can pick some of that up. Absolutely beautiful car. It is an A4 Premium, so very nice car, very comfortable on the interior. This A4 also comes equipped with the convenience package as well as a sport package and heated front seats, which are all additional options from the factory. This car also comes equipped with the 18-inch wheel package. Moving on to the interior, it's got a black and rock gray colorway. Very nice two-tone colorway, looks absolutely gorgeous. There's your infotainment system. That's how you control all of your air conditioning, fan speed, heated seats, so in the wintertime when it's cold. There's your shifter. This is how you select all your preset save channels on the radio, and this is how you navigate through your infotainment system. The very first thing you notice when driving this car is just how easy it is to drive. The clutch is not very stiff at all. It's super forgiving, and it allows you to just have a very nice and smooth takeoff. You really don't have to give it a lot of throttle. Gear shifts are very nice and easy. It goes right into gear, exactly where you want it to go. It also has a little suggestion right here on the gauge cluster telling you what gear you should be in. So right now it's telling me to go into fourth. I'm gonna go into fourth as I'm just cruising about 45 miles an hour. RPMs are about 2,000. This car also has selectable drive modes. You adjust that right here. You have a couple different options. You have comfort, auto, and dynamic, as well as individual. This car does come equipped with Bluetooth, which is pretty standard, so you're able to hook up your phone and play your own music if the radio is not your preferred way of listening. It's a very quiet, very comfortable car. Can't really feel any bumps in the road. Steering wheel is very easy to turn. It's got very nice power steering. This car has pretty great visibility. You're able to just kind of look around and see everything around you without anything blocking you. This car also has a sunroof that you're able to adjust, open up. You can put it in the little tilt mode, or you can open it all the way up if you're enjoying the weather, windows down, cruising. We're gonna get on this thing a little bit right here and see what this 250 horsepower is really all about out of this all-wheel drive Audi A4. This thing's actually really quick. Got up to 60 miles an hour, relatively fast right there in just first and second gear. You should have absolutely no issues getting out in traffic, or if you want to have a little fun on back roads, this is the car for you. This car really has the best of all of the worlds, as it is a 4-door sedan. So if you have a family, you're able to fit your whole family in here, take your friends if you have a lot of people in your car. But when you want to have fun, you have that manual transmission and the turbocharged 4-cylinder. We're on a fairly rough road right now, as this is a backcountry road, and I'm gonna shut up so you guys can just hear how quiet this car is when cruising down the road. The suspension handles the rough road very well. It's not even really that noticeable. You just notice a slight vibration when going over bumps. Car drives very smooth. In the low RPMs, this car does lack a little bit on power, but at the end of the day, it is just a 4-cylinder. When you get higher in the RPMs and the boost kicks in, that's when you really start to notice all 252 of that horsepower. Now this car is all-wheel drive, which means it would be a great car if you live in the north for you to pick up. You don't have to worry about icy roads or anything like that, as you're driving with all 4 tires and you're able to control the car a lot easier on those slippery surfaces. If you're not in the north, however, the all-wheel drive system is very nice. You never have to worry about getting stuck on back dirt roads or anything else like that. It also puts the power down really well, and you're able to accelerate up the speed very quickly if needed. We're gonna get on it here in second gear at about 30 miles an hour and see what this thing does. she gets up there pretty quick, I will tell you that. This car honestly surprised me the very first time I drive it with how well it put the power down to the ground. And that manual transmission, man, it's not a feeling very many people get to experience in the Audi A4, as this is a very rare car. Takeoffs are super easy, very chill. You should be able to shift very smoothly. That way you're not breaking your passengers' necks or anything. If you are, you just need to learn how to drive. Now this car does have a customizable screen on the gauge cluster. You have a couple different options. You're able to see the date and time. This shows all of your alerts. It looks like I am low on washer fluid, so I will be adding that when I get back to the dealership. You're able to see your Bluetooth devices connected, your mobile device that's connected, if you're plugged in through an aux cord. This car also has hands-free calling, so that way if you need to talk to somebody while you're on the road, you don't have to look at your cell phone and risk accidentally getting in a car accident, because we all know texting and driving or using your phone is not a great idea. That's controlled right here on the steering wheel. This car has very long gearing, I will say. So I am doing about 45 miles an hour, 2,500 RPMs. This is in third gear, so longer gears, more comfortable. You don't have to shift as much. But I can plop it in fourth and we're down to 2,000 RPMs, doing about 50. If I put it in sixth, however, RPMs are pretty low. So if you're just cruising, not really changing speed that much, you can smack it over into overdrive and get great gas mileage. The interior on this Audi feels very nice, very high quality. The steering wheel, this very nice leather wrapped steering wheel, just feels amazing in your hands, and it looks absolutely beautiful. All of the interior surfaces feel very high quality, something that you would expect from an Audi vehicle. That has been a test drive on our 2017 Audi A4 Premium, the manual transmission. This thing also has the 18-inch premium wheels on it, which give it a very nice aggressive look. Overall, I absolutely love this car. It's very comfortable, has all the bells and whistles on it that you would need. Very fun to drive with the manual transmission, and it's got a little bit of power to it too. Very fun car. This car is for sale here at Champion Car Company. ChampionCarCompany.com is our website. I will also post a link to it in our description. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe, as we're gonna have more videos like this to come. And we'll see you in the next one.